gravitational force on the Earth's surface. Why we have a 9.8 gravitational acceleration on the Earth's surface? This is because the Earth diminishes energy density of superfluid space in its center for a certain amount. That corresponds its mass. And the gravitational force is a vector in space which always point from the higher energy density into that direction of the lower energy density. That's why in the volume, in a given volume of space in interstellar, intergalactic area, we don't have gravity. Because the energy density of space is the same in every point of space. So you can check the article below. There is an equation which clearly shows that the gravitational acceleration depends on the energy density in the center of the Earth. And now when we go closer inside of the Earth, when we go deeper, when we go under surface, the gravity acceleration diminishes. Why diminishes? Because the difference in the energy density between the center and between a point, let's say, which is 10 kilometers under the surface, this difference of energy density is getting smaller. And when we reach to the center, there is no difference in energy density. And there is no gravity. That's why there is no gravity. Gravity is generated by the difference in energy density of space. And we can calculate energy density of space at every point. We can calculate in the center, we can calculate when we go out of the center, we can calculate on the surface, and we can calculate when we go away from the stellar object. The formula is also in the article. This is physics of gravity, not Einstein. Hocus pocus curvature of space. Not Penrose, hocus pocus, gravitational singularity. This is physics. But the mainstream will ignore my work. At least for the next 100 years. In 2125, someone will say, look, look what this guy did. This is because science is in the hands of mediocre people. in generally, the mediocre people are always in power. Mostly it's like this. So we have every day we have articles, and we have on YouTube famous physicists talking nonsense about Big Bang cosmology, about gravitational singularities. About how gravitational constant is changing in time. Because inside of the earth there are geological movement, and this could change gravitational constant. Jesus Christ. These people, they don't have a clue about physics. They don't have a clue about physics. Gravitational constant is equal in the entire universe and is a direct result of the Planck energy density. Yeah. Gravitational constant can be expressed with the Planck energy density. We have a Planck mass. We multiply Planck mass with c squared, we get Planck energy. Then we divide Planck energy with the Planck volume, and we get a Planck energy density. And the Planck energy density is defining gravitational constant. And I calculated myself. The gravitational constant is the same, remains unchanged, even in the biggest supermassive black holes. This is the main problem of modern physics. That modern physics is a religion. But it's not intelligent religion. It is a religion of the mediocre people, which absolutely have no ability to confront themselves with their dogmas. So check the two articles below, and you will see what is physics.